Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and weekend. And now you can see the season of Advent begins on Sunday. This past Sunday after worship, the faithful, dedicated volunteers decorated the sanctuary, and I just love how it looks here at Christmas time. So for Advent last year, we asked a question the week before, and we made it part of the Advent lighting ritual. And we're going to do it again this year. It was so much fun to have responses that we then made into the call to worship, candle lighting. And the question for this Sunday, and I'd like you to reply back in the chat, that what does hope sound like? Now, during church on Sunday, I asked people to write that down on a little piece of paper and put it in the offering plate, and they received quite a number that include things like a baby crying and children singing at Christmas Carol camp and things like that. Some really great responses. Well, what would you say? And you have the advantage of having more time to think about it. What does hope sound like? And if you'd let me know, we'll incorporate many of them into this Sunday's liturgy. And with that, looking forward to the countdown toward Advent. Have a grateful day.